you want to hear about things like presentation skills from a comedian?
Find out about personal development from a leading engineer?
Get inspiration and motivation from a CEO of a national organisation?
Or simply find out why being brave and passionate is so important for your career?
Then that is what the Big Brave is all about.
The Big Brave is the must-attend career inspiration events for the University of Glasgow students.
These events are a great opportunity for you to feel inspired, get motivated, ask questions, think about your career options and how to use your bravery and passion to guide your future career. If nothing else, you can just come for the free snacks.
So who are these brave, passionate and sometimes famous speakers?
Over the years, we've had a range of guests from various backgrounds and careers, all with unique journeys and inspirational advice for our students.
So previous speakers have included
BBC Scotland broadcaster Jackie Bird,
The Guardian investigative reporter Ewan McCaskill,
comedian Fred Macaulay,
and Polestar engineer Shaitan Couture.
All of our speakers have one thing in common that can appeal to any University of Glasgow student, and that's the motivation and passion to succeed in the career that you want.
Everyone's welcome to attend, even if it's for free snacks.
To make sure that you don't miss out on these incredible talks, follow at UofG Careers on social media.
And we will keep you updated to where and when the events are taking place. So come along!